Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for being here. We are back again. In our today's video, we are going to show you some amazing wooden cable spool crafting projects ideas that will inspire you to upcycle your cable spool in a better way. Wooden cable spool are versatile and rapidly available crafting material that can be used to create a variety of unique and practical projects. These spools are typically made of sturdy and durable wood, making them ideal for use in a variety of do-it-by-yourself projects. In this video, we will explore some creative way to repurpose wooden cable spool for your crafting projects. First of all, we have to go through the types. Outdoor table spool. Outdoor table. Turn a wooden cable spool into a stylish outdoor table. Sand the spool down to remove a rough edge of splinters. Then paint or stain it to match your decor. Add a glass or a metal top and a few chairs, and you have a functional and attractive outdoor dining areas. You can also cut a wooden cable spool in half and mount it to the wall and create a unique bookshelf. Paint or stain the spool to match your decor and add a few shelves to hold your favorite books and the knickknacks. Here is another way to repurpose the wooden cable spool is by turning into a coffee table. Sand it down and paint or stain it to match your decor. Add pieces of tempered glass or a wooden top to create a flat surface for drinks and the snacks. Put a wooden cable spool in half and use each half as a planter. Add soil and your favorite plants and place them on your porch or patio to add a touch of greenery to your outdoor space. Pet bed. If you have a furry friend, turn a wooden cable spool into a cozy pet bed. Sand the spool down and add a cushion or soft bedding to create a comfortable place for your pet to rest. Another creative use for a wooden cable spool is an ottoman. Cut a piece of foam to fit the top of the cable spool and cover it with the fabric or a decorative cushions. Add legs and wheels to the bottom to make it easy to move around. If you have a kid, use wooden cable spool to create a funny playhouse. Cut out window and the door, paint it in a bright color and add a few cushions or blanket to make it cozy. In conclusion, wooden cable spool are versatile and affordable crafting material that can be used to create a variety of unique and practical projects. With a little creativity and some basic tools, you can turn a wooden cable spool into a functional and attractive piece of furniture or a decor. So next time you come across a wooden cable spool, think outside the box and try one of these do-it-by-yourself projects. Basically, a wooden cable spool is a cylindrical wooden drum that is typically used to hold and dispense a cable or wire. However, this spool can be repurposed for a variety of crafting projects. Wooden cable spool crafting project refer to any creative project that involves using a wood cable spool as a base or a component of the project. You can also create a coffee table, bookshelf, outdoor seating, garden planters, pet beds, and the wine rack. These are just a few examples of the many creative projects that can be made with a wooden cable spool. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. There are several advantages of using wooden cable spool for crafting project, including low cost. Wooden cable spool can often be obtained for free or at a very low cost, making them an affordable material for crafting project. Wooden cable spool are made of withstand and weight and tension of the cable, so they are durable and sturdy enough to be used for a variety of projects. Wooden cable spool can be used in a wide range of crafting projects, from furniture to home decor to garden art. Using wooden cable spool for crafting project is a sustainable and environment-friendly option, as it purposes a material that should otherwise go to waste. Wooden cable spool can be painted, stained, and decorated in a variety of ways to match your style and the design aesthetics. The natural wood grain and rough texture of wooden cable spool give them a rustic and a charming look that is popular in many home decor style. Crafting with wood cable spool allow for creativity and the experimentation, as the spool can be transformed into a unique and personalized creation. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here, and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you so much.